In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate position in Adobe Premiere Pro using keyframes. We'll take a simple clip and make it move smoothly across the screen using just the position property, so you can apply the same technique to videos, images, or text layers in any project. Start by selecting the clip you want to animate. Click the video, image, or text layer in your timeline so it's highlighted. Graphics and titles behave the same way, just be sure the right layer is active. Now open the Effect Controls panel by going to Window, then Effect Controls. This panel shows the properties for the selected clip. If it looks empty, it usually means nothing is selected, so reselect your clip in the timeline to refresh it. Inside Effect Controls, find the motion group and the position property. You'll see two numbers. The first controls horizontal movement, X, and the second controls vertical movement, Y. Click the stopwatch next to position to enable animation and drop a keyframe at the current playhead time. Where the playhead sits right now becomes your starting point. Set that start by moving the clip off screen to the left so it can slide in. You can drag the first position value to a more negative number, or, with motion selected, drag the clip directly in the program monitor. Either approach updates the same values. Next, drag the playhead forward to where you want the move to finish. Think about pacing here. Shorter gaps make the motion faster, longer gaps make it slower. With the playhead at this later time, change the position values again to place the clip where you want it to land, like the center of the frame. The moment you adjust position at this new time, Premiere automatically creates a second keyframe. Press play to preview the result. If the move feels too quick or too slow, simply change the spacing between those two keyframes by dragging the second one left or right in Effect Controls. You're not changing the positions themselves, just the timing between them. And that's the complete move, a clean slide from an off-screen start to an on-screen finish using two position keyframes. A quick reminder, don't click the stopwatch again unless you intend to remove all keyframes for position. To refine, use the small arrows beside position to jump between keyframes and fine-tune the values. Once you're comfortable with this workflow, you can explore easing for even